Hello, today I'm going to talk about a platform called Voscreen where you can easily improve your listening, reading, and vocabulary. Let's get the ball rolling. So first of all, you need to go to this website called voscreen.com. Click on the sign up button and it is super easy. First name, last name, email address, password. Click on sign up. You will see this page and then you will fill in all of these necessities and then you can choose your mother language, right? Whatever it is. Basically the Turkish is the best here because this app has been developed by Turkish people. This fantastic application. You can also download it on your telephone, tablet. I prefer laptop because I can use the biggest screen. Once you're done with it, you can simply click on the sign in. All right, so you sign in and then automatically you will see this part. It adjusted itself to live. The level is live. I don't recommend that. First, you can click on the live and choose your level. For beginner, also A1 level, I would say beginner, elementary for A2, intermediate for B1, upper intermediate for B2, and advanced level for C1 and above. If you want to improve your grammar also, you can go to Vo structure. You can choose your subject. And this is like Vo rhythm, which is like music. And this is for kids, basically for juniors. Let's start with very basic, like beginner. When you click on that, you will see a video, a random video. Now you can go to your profile, okay? Like teacher Maysam, and then profile. Here you can simply change your mother tongue. I would say the best option is to choose English. All right. If you are using the intermediate or above, like B1 or B2 level, I would say choose English. Because if you choose English, you will see a paraphrased version of the video. It is going to be much harder. So I always suggest it to higher levels, at least B1 or B2, let's say intermediate and above. And then click on save. And then you will choose the beginner.
We have no army.
What happened here? You can see a kind of random video. All right, very important, a random video. You can play that as many times as you wish. For instance,
we have no army.
So we have no army, right? Right now you can see this 13, which represents the seconds, all right? But we have subtitle on and subtitle off. And here we can see the points. So if I choose subtitle on, whatever basically the actor or actress say, I can see it here. And if I answer it correctly, whatever the time is, I will get that point for this video. But if I choose subtitle off, which is much more challenging and a little bit harder, in that case, if I do it correctly, whatever the time is, it will be multiplied by 2. Let's try it again.
We have no army.
Okay, we have no army. So subtitle on. Okay, so what happened here? Because I adjusted the mother language into English, everything is in English. We have no army. In other words, it means we don't have an armed forces. What a lovely phrase, what a lovely paraphrasing. On the other hand, it says we have lost our army, which has no connection, no relationship with we have no army. So what happened? 9 seconds, 9 points I got because I chose subtitle on. Next.
Okay, look, I'm sorry, all right?
Okay, look, I am sorry. All right. Now let's do with subtitle off. What happened? 14 seconds, 28 points, because multiplied by 2, because I chose subtitle off. What happened? Okay, look, I am sorry, all right. So okay means all right, look means okay, listen, we can say that, because excuse me doesn't mean look, but we can use listen for look. All right, I am sorry, all right. All right is again okay, and I am sorry is I apologize. So this is again a paraphrased version of this sentence, but no problem. I mean, if your English is not really cool, you can choose your mother language, and you can start by learning, by making mistakes, and taking notes. Whenever you like a video, you can basically like that and go to next one, as well as I would say do this voice screen for 20 minutes every day, and have a kind of notebook or agenda and write down the new words, not everything, and do it for 20 minutes every day. One more thing, guys, you will see these videos, I mean these random videos, for 5 times. I don't know, maybe 5 videos later, maybe 50 videos later, maybe 100 videos later, you will see this video again and again, 5 times. This platform wants you to accomplish these tasks, I mean correctly, for 5 times. If you do so, what happens? You will never see that specific video clip again, because the platform thinks that you, as a kind of student, you have learned the whole stuff in this video. Whenever you want, you can upgrade your level or downgrade your level. If you see your level is not good, you can downgrade to beginner or upgrade to elementary. I would say play it for 2 weeks at least, and then you can decide. That's it, guys. You can simply use this platform every day. This is for free, and you can use your telephone, your tablet, iPad, whatever. I personally recommend you to play this, to work with this platform for 20 minutes every day, and have a kind of solid agenda or notebook, and write down those words or vocabulary as well as expressions which you feel they are really good and beautiful, and you would most probably use them in the future. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Until next video, live long and prosper. Take care. And then you're going to choose your mother tongue, and you can also choose, or if you basically here you can simply change your mother tongue, like I would say, what